Hi. In this video, we are going to solve question number 13. This is from October-November 2021, paper 2, variant 22. So in question number 13, what we have to do here is write 243 into 27 to the power of 2n as a single power of 3 in terms of n. So we will be using a law of indices here. So 24 into 27, 243 into 27 to the power of 2n as a single power of 3. So let's first take 243 and represent it as a power of 3. 243, we know that 243 is 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 will give you 243. In this question, our aim is to make 243 and 27 as a power of 3. So 243 can be written as 3 to the power of 5, and 27, we know that 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3. So if 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3, 27 to the power of 2n can be written as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2n. Now, in law of indices, we have studied that x to the power of m to the power of n is basically x to the power of m multiplied by n. So now here 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2n will be 3 to the power of 3 into 2n. 3 into 2n, which will give me 3 to the power of 6n. So this will become 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 3 into 2n will give me 6n. Now for this part here, the final part, we have studied one law of indices or law of exponent, x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m plus n. Make sure that the bases are the same. Make sure that the bases are the same here. Both the bases are 3. So I can use this law here. So 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 6n will become 3 to the power of 5 plus 6n. This will be our final answer. 3 to the power of 5 plus 6n. And about the mark distribution here, this question is for 2 marks. You will be getting 1 mark if your answer 3 to the power of 5 is there, or in your working, if you have 3 to the power of 6n, any of these, if it is there, you will be getting 1 mark and another 1 mark for the final answer. So if you have got the answer correct, 3 to the power of 5 plus 6n, you will be getting both the 2 marks. And if 3.3 to the power of 5 or 3 to the power of 6n, if it is there in your working, you will be getting 1 mark. So that is how we distribute the marks there. Now B part, k is equals to 2 into 3 square into p cube, where p is a prime number greater than 3. Write 6k square as a product of prime factors in terms of p. So k is given to us and we need to find out what 6k square is. I'll start with k square. Again, this question is from law of indices. So we'll be using those laws which we have studied. So k is 2 into 3 square into p cube. So here, what we need is 6k square. First, I'll find out what k square is. K square will be 2 into 3 square into p cube, the whole thing square. This will give me k square. K is 2 into 3 square into p cube. So k square will be this whole thing to the power of 2. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 9 uh, to the power of 2 is 81 into p to the power of 3 to the power of 2. We have to use the same rule. X to the power of m to the power of n is x to the power of m into n. So the p to the power of 3 to the power of 2 will be p to the power of 6. We know that 4 can be written as 2 square because it's clearly mentioned there in the question as a product of prime numbers. So everything should be prime here. 81, we know 81 is 3 to the power of 4 into p to the power of 6. This is what we got for k square. But what we need is 6k square. So 6 into 2 square into 3 to the power of 4 into p to the power of 6. 6 is basically 2 times 3. 2 times 3 into 2 square into 3 to the power of 4 into p to the power of 6, which will give me 2 into 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. 3 into 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 5 into p to the power of 6. This will be our final answer. So if you have any doubt, you can use the comment box. And if you have any suggestion, if you want me to solve any particular question, that also you can use the comment box. Thank you for watching.